Developed in collaboration with the University of Cambridge, HeyMath was founded in the year 2000 with the mission of supporting the work of teachers. HeyMath's core competencies are curriculum expertise and rich pedagogy, backed by hands-on professional development support for teachers.
My children, they do look forward to using HeyMath because it's visual, a lot of visuals, and it's fun.
My K1 level students, they also enjoy it, and I find it very useful.
I teach primary 6, so for primary 6 students, AQC is very useful because it shows them work example. It gets them excited, and on the part of the teacher, it's actually not a lot of effort to actually assign questions and get them to do the work. Questions are challenging, and there's a whole variety of questions with regards to the various math topics. So from distance, from ratio, from area, graph, from problem sum, and along with that you have the difficulty of the level. So we teachers can actually assign, okay, we give them 5 easy questions, 5 hard questions, 5 very hard questions. The interface is very easy to use, and they like the fact that the questions are challenging.
But yes, they're enjoying it a lot, and the practice sums which are given also, they try to work it out, and yes, it is very useful. Also this animation, see, some of these things, I'm saving our time. The class I was doing on rectangular parts and all, I would have to draw everything on the board, which takes some time. Now when it's already drawn, that much of my time is saved. And it really makes a lot of difference when you save time while teaching maths. That much extra time I can devote to doing some more practice sums perhaps.
HeyMath is a very useful platform for students of all levels, 1 to 12. We have been using this in our school from quite some time. The e-lessons are very useful for children. It can be used as a prerequisite or for a revision class also, depending on the concepts. If it's a new concept, children would love visualizing the concept for a better understanding. And the quizzes and worksheets that we assign are very useful for children for a practice point of view. They can access it at home as well, and it gives them a lot of interesting problems where they can spend quality time at home for math rather than just the pencil and paper.
It's really useful. It's not coming from the lip, it's coming from the heart. It's an honest confession. Definitely the children will be benefited if you're going to use it constructively.
HeyMath sounded something like, oh, it's going to be very easy. Because when I was in school, I was really threatened and math was real phobia. This session, of course, I was just like a student back to my kindergarten years, especially the first standard subtraction and addition, which was done like a story. I didn't even realize I was an adult there sitting, and I really laughed my head off towards the end. I feel this will definitely help the children because now math is not taught. It's again like memorizing, and it's more without understanding the children are doing. So this, I feel, children would have an understanding and also an application.